In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a sum function using the AutoComplete method. I want to add B6 through E6, and I want the result to be in cell F6. So I'm going to go ahead and start in cell F6. I'll enter the equal sign. I'm going to type S, and you'll notice that a list of S functions are displayed underneath. I want to narrow this down a little bit more, so I'm going to type the U, and now you can see some of the sum type functions. What I want to do is double click on sum, which auto completes the function name, and now I can just list the argument, which is B6 through E6. So I simply click and drag over those cells, which enters the cell references right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my right parenthesis and enter. I'm going to go ahead and click on that cell and look in the formula bar, and sure enough it says equal sum B6 through E6. If I double click on the cell, it also shows that same range. I'm going to demonstrate it again in cell F7. So I'm going to type the equal sign. I'm going to type an S, then a U. I can see the sum function right here, so I'm going to double click on it. I take my mouse and I select the range that I want to sum, put a right parenthesis on the end of that, and enter. I'm going to do it one more time for repetition. Equal SU, double click sum, select my range, right parenthesis, enter.